Hello again, friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm sharing a very special recipe, peanut butter smoked goat stew. The smoked goat meat I'm using was kindly prepared by my Mkurungai Gogo Kufa in Marima village in Masvingo, so many thanks to her. The goat meat is dry cured and smoked. After cutting it into small pieces, I added bay leaves and whole peppercorns and 3 cups of water and pressure cooked the meat for about 1 hour. I then transferred the cooked meat into a shallow pan with about 1/4 of a cup of stock broth from the cooked meat, added cooking oil and shallow fried the meat for a few minutes. I then added chopped onions and fried them together until soft. I also added some more stock saved from earlier. I then added chopped frozen tomatoes saved from my garden last harvest, but you can certainly use fresh tomatoes. After simmering for a few minutes, I then proceeded to add 2 tablespoons of delicious handmade peanut butter and mix gently, combining the stew. I added more stock saved from earlier, creating a delicious sauce. I simmered the dish for about 10 minutes before serving. The stew is usually served with sadza, but here I served with white rice. The recipe was kindly shared by my daughter-in-law, Mai Daniel. It's a delicious recipe, definitely worth a try if you ever come across dry cured smoked goat meat. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you're familiar with this recipe. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Until next time, bye for now.